Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your homes. Today we'll start our chapter 5, that is the keyboard. Children, a keyboard is the most important part of a computer, and you all have already studied about keyboard in your previous classes. So, let's learn more about keyboard. You all have seen the keyboard, that how keyboard looks like, and you also know that we use keyboard for typing and to give commands to the computer. Kids, a keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many buttons which are called keys. These keys are used to enter words or numbers into a computer. And we also use these keys to give instructions to the computer. A keyboard is a typing device attached to the computer. It has a number of keys on it. Each key in the keyboard is different. We have different keys on our keyboard, like letters, numbers, and many more. It is same as keypad attached in calculator and mobiles. The keypad that we use in mobile phone is quite similar to the keyboard that we use for typing. And a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Children, your computer keyboard has different type of keys like special keys, character keys, number keys, and many more. So now let's categorize the keys in different parts or different types and then discuss these one by one. The keys on keyboard is basically categorized in 6 parts: alphabet keys, arrow keys, function keys, punctuation keys, number keys, and special keys. And further, special keys is classified into different parts like enter key, shift key, caps lock key, delete key, spacebar key, backspace key, and control key. So now let's discuss about alphabet keys. Kids, we have 26 alphabet keys on our keyboard. These are marked as A to Z. These keys help us to type words and sentences. Kids, now let's learn about number keys. There are 10 number keys on our keyboard, and these number keys are marked as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And these keys are used to type numbers and digits. All the keys that have numbers 0 to 9 are known as number keys. Kids, have you ever noticed this? That on our keyboard, number keys are present on 2 places. Yes, number keys are present on 2 places. One is at the upper row of the alphabet keys and other one is on the right hand side of our keyboard. Kids, now our next type of keys are function keys. We have 12 function keys on our keyboard, and the topmost row on the keyboard marked as F1 to F12 are the function keys. Each key has its own function. Each key performs specific task or function. For example, F1 we use for help. F2 we use for renaming the files and folders. And F5 we use for refreshing our window. So in this way, each function key has its own function. So kids, in our today's class, we learned 3 types of keys, that are alphabet keys, number keys and function keys. And we'll continue our chapter and learn few more keys in our next class. Thank you kids. Please hit like button if you have watched the video and post your queries in comment section.